Social Science, Chapter 10, Part 4, India Agriculture. Tobacco is a kharif crop, sandy loamy soil, 20 degrees Celsius temperature and 100 centimeter rainfall is suitable for the tobacco cultivation. Soil is a determining factor that climate for tobacco cultivation. Major four countries in the world which grows and export tobacco are China, Brazil, India and USA. Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka major state producing tobacco in India. The Charotar region of Keja and Anand district, Mehsana, Vadodara and Panchmal grow more tobacco. About 80% of BD tobacco of India is produced in Gujarat. Tobacco is used to make gutka, BD, cigarettes, snuff, etc. Tobacco consumption is harmful to health. Sikkim is the first state to ban tobacco gutka. Condiments and spices. Gujarat ranked first in the production of kumkum seeds, fennel seed, isabul in the world. Besides these, India leads in the production and export of dry coriander, fenugreek, mustard, suwa and ajwain. India contributes about 35% in the total world production of condiments. Indian black pepper, cinnamon, clove, etc. are in high demands in the country and world. Ashwagandha, tulsi, kariyatu, milti, awil, white musin, madhunishik, ashok, gramal, linji, piper, galo, aloe vera, etc. are included as medicinal plant, and mint and methanol, plum, moza, lemongrass are included as flavored crops. Fruits, vegetables and flower. In fruit production, India ranks second after China. Fruits like banana, mango, apple, grapes, naspati, orange are grown in India. Banana are grown in Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Apple in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and grapes in Uttarakhand, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. As the grape production is less than its demand, it is imported from Afghanistan, Pakistan and Australia. Besides, various vegetables are grown. Flowers like rose, juhi, mogra, galgota, etc. are cultivated. Thus, various crops are grown in India. Now we see about the technical and institutional reforms in agriculture. Earlier farming was carried out simple and ordinary in farm implements like sickle, spade, powder, drills, plow, bullock cart, etc. But modern implements have entered into like tractors, trailer, rotaware are common. Now there is an increase in the usage of chemical fertilizer, hybrid seeds, BT seeds, insecticide, drip irrigation and greenhouses. Now let's see the technical reforms. The changes which have taken place in seeds, fertilizers and farm implement in India are known as technical reform. The farmer who earlier used leather bullock buckets and water wheel now uses the submersible pump and monoblock pump, solar pump, drip irrigation, sprinkles. Chemical fertilizers like dye, amino sulfate, phosphate, DAP, nitrogen phosphate, potash, NPK, urea and other biofertilizer, liquid biofertilizer, biotech seeds are used. Farmers are constantly guided through radio, television, newspaper, DD Kisan channel, SMS on mobile by Kisan toll-free number 1-800-180-1551, Kisan Call Center, Government Farm Web, portals, iKduth and mobile app like Agri Market. New agriculture researches and new techniques have conveyed to the farmers in village by Gram Sevak. A farmer training center is established in every district headquarters wherein the farmers are given training. Recent information and guidance are provided to the farmer through agricultural fairs in Gujarat. Agricultural university, agricultural colleges are established in every state. Agricultural university are established at Dantewada, Junagadh, Anand, Navsari in Gujarat. This university carry out research and prepare new experts in agriculture. Besides this, Indian Council of Agricultural Research (ICAR), Department of Agriculture Research and Education (DARE) are active at national level. Institutional reforms. The reforms connected with the land ownership, crop subsidy and sale of farm produce are considered to be institutional reforms in India. Government has discarded lordisms and stopped the exploitations of farmers under the law Land to the Thriller Land Tenancy Act. The land thrillers have given the right to become the owner of the land. The disparity among the landowners have been moved by the Land Ceiling Act. Farmers are given financial help for crop subsidy by Kisan Credit Card and by Nationalized and Cooperative Bank. Farmers are given full insurance protections to their crops through Prime Minister Crop Insurance Scheme. When the crops fail due to the drought or other excessive rains, farmers are given financial help by the government. By providing legal support, an open auction process is made widespread for the sale of farm products in the marketing yard. Facilities like cooperative society, market association, cooperative warehouse, cold storages, transportation and communication, etc. have been provided so that farmer could get minimum support price of the farm product. Following organizations are operating for the purchase of the farm product from the farmers at support price. National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India NAFED, Gujarat Cooperative Oilseed Grower Federation GROFED, National Dairy Development Board NDDB. Green Revolution took place in our country in the decade of 1960. But before that, there was a time when there was an acute shortage of food grain in the country. An agrarian country had to import food grain. The country was struggling against such dependent condition. The extraordinary increase in the agricultural production because of improved seed, increased use of chemical fertilizer, intense efforts of the farmers, widespread arrangement for electricity, distribution, improved facility in irrigation, etc. are known as Green Revolution. Main objective of the Green Revolution was to increase agricultural production. Farmers were encouraged to use chemical fertilizer and insecticides more. This led to attain the target to increase agricultural production. There had been a record production of wheat and paddy due to Green Revolution. Where there was a scarcity of food grain in the country, today there is a sufficient storage of food grain. Once drought was a hazard at regular interval in India, its adverse effects were not seen after Green Revolution. Due to the buffer stock of food grain, the condition of droughts of scarcity are faced conveniently. The self-sufficiency in food grain is a landmark of historical achievement of Green Revolution. Today the production of cash crop has increased and the production of pulses and other cereals have decreased with the repetition of the same crop. To reach the stage where the other countries of the world have progressed using better technology. Now we see the role of agriculture in Indian economy. Agriculture is the main occupation in India. The pressure which India had at the time of independence is now reduced somewhat. However, it is still an important contribution in Indian economy. It provides employment to about half of the population of the country. Agriculture holds about 17% of total gross domestic production GDP. Paddy, wheat, oilseeds, cotton, jute, sugarcane, tobacco, potato, etc. are major agricultural products of India. Much foreign exchange is earned from their export. India ranks second in the world in agrarian production. Industries like cotton, textile, sugar, paper, oil, etc., as well as industries regarding to the food processing, get their raw material from agricultural products only. Agriculture provides food to the people of India. Food security is necessary for any country today. And if the demand for the food grain is increasing and if the food grain have to be imported, then political independence of that country may be at risk. Now, the impact of globalization on Indian agriculture. The policy of globalization has been implemented with the purpose that Indian farmer can sell his farm product in world market and earn profit. Many changes took place in the agricultural field due to globalization. The process to export or import crop production is made very simple. Cotton, chilies and till are now available in Chinese market and various fruits from the world are now available in Indian market. The costly genetically modified BT seed sold by the multinational companies are now available in India. Due to this, farming has become costly. The production of cotton and maize has increased. With the import becoming smoother, the domestic farm products have to face tough competition. Some products have gained global market, hence the necessity of registration of their patent. It is necessary to register the qualitative farm production as national patent in the world market. To face the competition in agricultural product in global market, India will have to adopt new technology and concentrate on quality. The map of India agricultural crop, paddy and wheat. The straight line towards the south peninsula border, that is for paddy, and wheat is the slanting line towards Gujarat, Punjab and all that in the middle portion where you can see. And you can see that intersecting lines in the Uttar Pradesh region. The map about the cash crops. First is jute, the brown colored. Okay, that is for jute. Sugar cane, you can see the green colors. Uttar Pradesh is there, little bit Maharashtra. All this where you can see green color is sugar cane. And cotton, pink color. Gujarat, you have Haryana, you have Punjab. And all this portion for cotton, that is pink in color. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, little bit of it. Okay. So thank you. With this we complete the chapter.